The Statehood of Somalia by Everin Abdul. Laying down a foundation. The call for nation status had begun in May 18, 1991. The reason why Somaliland wanted separation from Somalia is because they thought that they had the qualities of a functioning sovereign, such as a border police, a police force to enforce their own laws, militaries. Um, they have everything they need for they have everything they need to become a sovereign state. And also the reason why the people of Somaliland did not the reason why the people of Somaliland wanted independence from Somalia is because the president Siad Barre did not treat his people with respect and disrespected his own people, and no one really liked him as a result. So they wanted to separate from him and create their own country, Somaliland. Reasons why Somaliland should become independent. Somaliland shows that it wants to become an independent nation because as I said earlier, it has the qualities of a sovereign state. It elects its own president. It has lots of job opportunities for its people. It has a permanent population of 3.5 million people, and also they also signed a petition, 1 million out of 3.5 million people wanting recognition from the international community as well. And the way Somaliland meets these requirements for a sovereign state is because they have their own government, and also they have a defined border, like with border police, as I said earlier, and also the place it's located in makes it a really good place for trade in East Africa. So everybody can trade there, like trade can go on there. Analysis of impact. The international organization and countries um, do not want to recognize Somaliland at all, such as the African Union, because if they recognize Somaliland, that will create a domino effect for other countries that want uh, that want independence from their own country, such as Western Sahara, and for example, and also they don't want to recognize Somaliland because Somaliland has no resources that make it very interesting and want other nations to care about Somaliland. And also, if for example the UN and the UK, if they recognize Somaliland, that would undermine international efforts to get a functioning government in Mogadishu. And that is it of my presentation.